Baby, it's 3 a.m. Had you on my mind, and it's not the first time we've gone through this. Yeah. Rest in peace to all the kids that lost their lives in the Parkland shooting. This song is dedicated to you. Okay, she keep going, every